Hello YouTube. Today I'm going to be unboxing my newest collection to my Louis Vuitton shoes. And here it is. I went to the store, picked this up. No, I did not. I ordered it from Neiman Marcus because they did not have my size. Now these shoes run big. So I order a half a size smaller than what you normally are. And these are so cute. They're so kind of flashy, kind of disco-y. Wee-oo. They're the Mamadrague. I know I'm saying it wrong. I butchered the name. It's the Mamadrague. I can't say it. Strass boom. With crystals, or Swarovski crystal in size 38.5, which is 8.5. I'm normally a 9. But yeah. Oops. And they have 2 dust bags. Let me take out the other one. Yep. There you go. They're, I have to take these so they can get the soles done. I don't like to see them all scratched up. But yeah. That's it. Bye-bye.